Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Skulbah yakabala tip kerteng kum ka Maharashtra Institute of Technology, University of Meghalaya Shillong, kabala sedang husnam arajar khatway, bat kabadang yai beteng ban ai ka Hikai ki Khynnah samla Pule jong ka Jylla, hado kini kisni. Kan penlong ye ka program na ka benta, ban pensotho ye ki Khynnah samla, haki benta Bapher jong ki Jingpule, bat kumno banje yaki. Habay keren berkilat pathai khubor nakaliang Dr. D. Bhattacharya, Pro Vice Chancellor jong ni ka Skulbah ulaong bah ka MIT ka Khot bat terwai ki kerdan Pule ba Halor na ka benta ki Khynnah samla jong ka Jylla. Bat ula kinturu ki Khynnah bakin Pule ya ki Jingpule ki balak bantai ya kalawe ka jongki. Shishu Bhattacharya ula pentip ru baka MIT ka angnot bandon laki jong ki Khynnah hapo ka Skulbah na ka benta ki jington kam jong ki Khynnah Pule bat lingba ka jing Arab jong ka sorkar bat kinong songsnong ka Skulbah kalala banthit ya ka jaka ka kerteng jong ka Skulbah hi bat haki kintiat benai banwan kin sayo ban Pule pat ba ya ka jaka Pule jong ka Skulbah ka badon hamau diang nakaliang uba Albert Marpan ubalong manager jong ka MIT Meghalaya ula pentim bahag bay day bat kirukam traikam soft skills lani ka jingya trailang de ka kinhon badru ka jingla ban yo kem ye ki jing hikai bat ka jingtip shapang ki ai ka long ka badan kam palat ban ye ka jing shampang ne ka jingla aru ne ka benta ki bre ki bawat kam ha kini ki sngi Shusuk ka jing pediang ye ki jingmut jong kilat ban shna thamai kan long kalat ban penyo ye ki samla bat bensuk ban trei ye ki kam ki bak hamjam loong ru bak Maharashtra Institute of Technology kan sapelong ye ka MIT Connect Halor ka pang entrepreneurship and sustainability ha ka henreu trik uyayong arajar arpusau St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School Shillong.
I want to tell you the journey of MIT University. This university established in this state with a state government act in the year of 2011. We are the UGC recognized state private university having UGC 2F act, and since 2011 our journey started in this state to cater good education for the local students, the higher education. We put our footprint in the higher education, as well as the technical education. We mainly focus on the professional education. I feel which is little lagging in our state because student mentality to go for the professional education, they are basically going for the conventional education, like if they're going for the graduation, they're going for the BA courses or BCom courses. But unless and until they go for the professional courses, in this job market, it will be difficult for them to establish nowadays. So we started some of the professional courses for the local students, and. So if I start with the journey of MIT, as the Act passed in 2017 and we established this university in 2017, MIT was the academic partner of this university since the beginning. And in 2017, MIT decided to take this university control fully. So in 2017 and 18, with the State Government Act, again one more act was passed by the state government education department as well as the law department, and the university earlier name was changed and currently we are known as the MIT University of Meghalaya. After establishing this university, our first motto to establish our own campus, because we believe that without having our own campus, we are not able to give proper justice to the student unless and until we give proper lab facility to the student, proper library facility to the student, proper giving facilities to the student. Student life requires all these things. So our first motto was to establish our own campus. We were struggling a lot. Then with the help of the government, with the help of the local people, with the help of the local authority, we were able to crack the deal in 2020. We purchased the land on university name and registered the land on university name in 2021, 4th April. And it's a very good news, and I can say this is a coincidence that our act passed on 4th April and our land registered on the same date. 4th April. This was 2011 and 2021. So we have our own land currently in New Shillong area, and after having our own land, registered land on university name, we started building our own campus, our own permanent campus, our presence in Shillong. Because we have seen the trend here, if we operate our university from a single building or from a small campus, people don't have that much of belief or faith on us. So as soon as we started our own campus, our establishment, our presence in Shillong, people start believing us, and in government also they are giving priority to MIT University, and now we are in a good shape, and hopefully within next 2 months we hired already 4 or 5 hostel, which is very nearby to the campus. But in our second phase, the student hostels are coming. So second phase, the student hostel, student recreation room, and the basketballs, all these things are coming in phase 2. The first phase will be completely our academic block 1, 2, as well as the administrative block. And I invite all the media person when we are going to open our campus, opening ceremony. Before that also, if anyone wish to come to our campus, we will take them to our campus, because our campus we established the highest pole of our state, where our Indian flag is going to fly. Highest pole, and that will be in our open air auditorium. It's already done. It's already ready. So hopefully by May end or June first week we are going to do the opening ceremony, and I will invite all of you. You are all currently we are having 32 NET qualified or the doctorate faculty members. Out of 32, except 28 faculty members are from Khynnah Northeast. So we are trying to change the scenario. Not only we are not only taking the expert faculty members from outside world also. We are trying to find out the expert faculty members from our state also. There are availabilities, but for some subject, some specialized subjects, expert faculties which is not available here, we have to hire from the outside world. And the facilities which we are offering to the faculty members, it is really attractive, lucrative, and they are ready to join. In open forum, I can say that I offer in my university the best salary to my faculty members than any other university offering here in this state. So that's the reason faculty, if you are giving offering a good salary, if you are offering them the housing facility enough from the plain land, who will not be ready to come to Shillong? Such a nice climate, when the whole India is just burning like something, we are wearing jacket. So people love to come to Shillong, because once this Shillong was known as the education hub. Slowly that a little bit come down, but still we are having that glory. That Shillong is known as the educational hub. Most of the students from the northeast, for their school education, they still come to Shillong. If we take the statistics of different schools, Mizoram, Manipur, so many students that are coming to Shillong for the schooling education. So if we offer a good package to the faculty members, to the expert, they are ready to join MIT University. So that's our main motto, to attract the expert. BA in history, BA in Khashi, BA in English. But what we have done, which Albert was referring one step ahead. The UPSC syllabus as well as the MPSC syllabus, the total syllabus we have divided into 6 or 7 different segments. Each and every segments are added in each and every semester, so that as soon as student will complete their graduation, they are ready to crack the MPSC or the UPSC examination. So this is a new thought, because most of the students in our state, they are ready to crack the government service. They are go for the government. They just want to go for the government service. They want to crack the MPSC. For that reason, this is a new thought we introduced here, that as soon as they will complete the graduation, they will have their graduation degree in hand, in one hand. In another hand, they are ready to crack the government examinations. So the syllabus framing, it was very hard to frame the syllabus in such a way so that the student will complete their graduation subject also, as well as they will complete all the subject which is related to UPSC as well as the MPSC also. Not only UPSC, MPSC, SSC also, bank, PO. If they want to appear for any kind of competitive examination, they are ready as soon as they will complete the degree from MIT University. So MIT University is always trying to introduce some innovative study program in their course curriculum, which we have done that. So as soon as student will take admission, they will get the flavor of that kind of thing which they will not get anywhere, any other institutions, I can say.
And the reason we have come here, there are two reasons. We're here firstly to talk about the MIT University overall, and I believe Sir had explained quite in detail about the MIT University. Just to add on what Sir said, we are here to cater the students, not only for the students in Meghalaya, we are here also to cater the students across Northeast. And MIT here has come for a purpose. MIT here has come with a project or a vision of sustainability concept learning in Northeast, where MIT has found that Northeast as a region and Shillong as a region has more practice on sustainability. That's one of the reasons also we have come to MIT to Shillong to set up the campus. And like Sir said that we are due to open our own campus, which is there in Mount Siam, Umrah. And we also very soon will host the opening or launch the opening of our campus. And to the other reason, we are here also to announce here that we are organizing MIT Connect Shillong event, that also on a topic of entrepreneurship and sustainability. That will be held on 6th of April 2024 and at 11:30 onwards. And we also currently inviting all the media team to witness the event. This will be a discussion not only from the team member from MIT University, but also from government officials from different departments who will be coming here to witness and also talk about the sustainability and entrepreneurship. Like Sir said regarding the courses, we are here to cater to students to specialize themselves in professional learning. We're here in the School of Design, which is in BE Design, in different fields such as animation and game design, fashion design, smart product design, and also we have other courses in non-design courses such as School of Management in BBA and MBA, which has different specialization again, such as the human resources, marketing, banking, finance, and hospitality, travel, and tourism. Apart from that, we also run conventional courses, which is one step ahead, where we thought that most of the students are facing a lot of challenges in cracking a lot of other competitive examination. So what we have done is we are hosting, or we are offering BA course, not only a course for a degree, but a course to enhance the experience or else give an enhanced experience to the student to have more exposure on competitive exams such as MPSC exams and UPSC exams. So this is all about the courses. So nothing much. We would like again invite each and every media team to witness our event, which will be on 6th of April 2024 from 11:30 a.m. onwards.